In the sprawling landscape of Los Angeles, nestled discreetly, is the residence of the iconic Eddie Murphy, a revered figure in the entertainment industry, known for his prowess in singing and comedy. Acquiring a 3.7-acre expanse in 2001, Eddie set out to create his haven, commissioning the construction of a palatial 400,000-square-foot mansion in the timeless Classic Italianate style. This architectural marvel, with an estimated cost of around $20 million, has stood as Eddie's primary residence for over 2 decades, a testament to luxury and sophistication. Step inside, and you'll find a residence that mirrors Eddie's larger-than-life persona. With a grand total of 32 rooms, it boasts 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, a dedicated play area for his kids, a colossal 2-story library, and even a personal bowling alley. The luxuries extend outdoors, where a swimming pool, tennis court, and a detached 2,200-square-foot house for guests await. Eddie's mansion is not just a home, it's a retreat. Strategically located at the heart of Los Angeles, Eddie's abode places him in proximity to some of the city's most famous landmarks, from the Hollywood Walk of Fame to the excitement of Universal Studios and the tranquility of Santa Monica Pier. Los Angeles unfolds at his doorstep. And the best part? To enjoy the vibrant tapestry of Los Angeles, Eddie doesn't have to travel far. Join us as we virtually explore the residence of a true Hollywood legend. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more glimpses into the luxurious lifestyles of the stars.